The slot that's going to receive the epoxy, the thickened epoxy, has to be sealed on the back side so that the epoxy doesn't run out. So I put a piece of masking tape over the slot. In this case, I colored the epoxy with black coloring so that our padeye slot is nice and dark. It'll be the same color as the padeye itself. I'm going to use my squeegee to apply the thickened epoxy. And I like to tamp it into place to remove any possible air pockets that might want to form. Tamping it, just like you're tamping concrete, helps to eliminate air pockets. You can see how easily that went in there. And I'll wipe off the excess. Now, even though that epoxy is thickened, there may be a tendency for it to want to sag. So I like to take a little piece of saran wrap and place it over the top of that epoxy. And then sort of stretch it out. Remove any wrinkles that might want to form in the epoxy. The saran wrap will prevent this epoxy from sagging. We could actually hang this kayak upside down or on its side, and that epoxy, that thickened epoxy, will not run or sag out of that slot. Now, after this cures, I'll remove the saran wrap and we'll sand it flush with the surface of the deck.